this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Steam account on your Steam Deck. So if you no longer want this or something like that, and you got a couple different accounts, or maybe you're trying to give your Steam deck to someone else, well, go up to the profile icon right here, press this, and then go to Account Details. Then go to Account Details here, scroll on down to the bottom, and here we have Delete Steam Account. Learn more about permanently deleting your account and associated information. Tap this. So once we do this, we'll go through the process to delete it. And it may take a little bit of time to load apparently, but I believe it's going to give you like a warning before you actually go ahead and delete it. And then you can remove it from your Steam Deck. Now this is permanently going to delete it. So if you want to use it on like your computer or something like this, don't do that. But there's 3 different steps. Verify that you own the account. Steam support will respond to your request to confirm your information. Your account will be locked and then deleted in 30 days. So it's not going to be just deleted just like that. It's going to take 30 days. Then you can go to proceed to this account deletion. So I'm not going to do that, but if you really want to do that, there's the option for it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming next on Your 6 Tech.